Hello friends, today we will start a new topic from organic chemistry. The name of topic is the halogen derivatives. This topic is for chapter number 10, halogen derivatives. 10 number chapter. We know the parent family of organic compound is the hydrocarbons, which may be the aliphatic or aromatic. It is aliphatic hydrocarbon or aromatic hydrocarbons. Then see what is meant by halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives, they are defined as when one or more hydrogen atoms from aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon are replaced by corresponding number of halogen atoms, the resulting compounds formed are called as halogen derivatives. They are known as halogen derivatives. Consider the example of a aliphatic hydrocarbon. We consider the example of aliphatic hydrocarbon like alkane. From alkane, when one hydrogen is removed, we write here minus H, and at the same time halogen is added into it. That is, a hydrogen from alkane is replaced by halogen atom. Here X is the any halogen atom. It is added, therefore written as a plus X, and hydrogen is removed. It is written as a minus H. X is here any halogen atom. It may be chlorine, bromine, iodine or chlorine. Here on replacement of a hydrogen from alkane by halogen atom, we get the halogen derivatives. New compounds form, they are known as the halogen derivatives. And these halogen derivatives, they are also called as, second name for it is a haloalkanes. They are also named as haloalkanes. Again we know, in this halogen derivative, here we know one hydrogen is replaced by one halogen atom. As it contains only one halogen, they are also called as monohalogen derivatives. And these monohalogen derivatives of alkanes, they are also known as alkyl halides, and they are represented by, generally they are represented by RX. Here again X is the any halogen which is the replacer to the hydrogen in alkane. It may be chlorine, bromine, iodine or chlorine, and R is the any alkyl group. This is a general representation of a monohalogen derivative of a alkanes, that is a alkyl halides. They are also called as a alkyl halide. Okay, is it clear? Here they contain only one halogen atom, therefore they are the monohalogen derivatives, and they are known as the alkyl halides, or also called as the alkyl halides, represented by the formula Rx, where R is the alkyl group and X is the any halogen atom. R is the any alkyl group and X is the any halogen atom. Then we can take the general example of an alkane. If we take here ethane, when one hydrogen from ethane is replaced by here bromine atom. Halogen we take here bromine. One hydrogen from ethane is replaced by bromine. Then we get the new compound C2H5Br, and this C2H5Br, this compound is known as ethyl bromide, and it is the haloalkane or halogen derivatives of a alkane. Alkane पासून मिळालेले halogen derivatives of alkanes. Similarly, this is a ethane is the example of a aliphatic hydrocarbon. If we take the aromatic hydrocarbon, from aromatic hydrocarbon hydrocarbon, we can also prepare the halogen derivative by the same process, that is by replacing hydrogen from aromatic hydrocarbon by the halogen atom. Then we get the halogen derivative and its name is the halogens. Here aromatic hydrocarbon, we know aromatic hydrocarbon, example benzene. From this aromatic hydrocarbon again hydrogen is replaced by halogen. Then we get the halogen derivatives of a aryls, which is also known as aryl halides. They are known as aryl halides or sometimes also called as haloaryls. So this is the haloalkanes and haloaryls. How they form, we are clear here. They are obtained from aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbons. They are obtained from the aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon by replacing hydrogen from aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon with one or more hydrogen from aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon is replaced by corresponding number of a halogen atom. Then we get the halogen derivatives. You see here two halogen derivatives, haloalkanes and haloaryls or aryl halides. And in this chapter, today in this chapter we will discuss the properties, preparation, uses of these two halogen derivatives. That is, in this chapter, two halogen derivatives, namely alkyl halide and aryl halides, are explained. We have to study these two halogen derivatives, alkyl halides and aryl halides. Then next point, the classification. Next point is the classification of a halogen derivatives. Classification of halogen derivatives. We have seen two halogen derivatives. These are the alkyl halides and aryl halides. Then their classification. How they are classified. The halogen derivatives, they are classified mainly by two ways. First, they are classified on the basis of a hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen is attached. And second way, on the basis of a number of a halogen atoms present in them. अशा पद्धतीने दोन टाइप याचं क्लासिफिकेशन केलेलं आहे. फर्स्ट टाइप क्लासिफिकेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ए नंबर ऑफ ए फर्स्ट टाइप क्लासिफिकेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ए classification on the basis of hydrocarbon skeleton to which the halogen atom is bonded. Here, according to the first type, they are classified into the four classes. These are the haloalkanes. First is the haloalkanes. Second one, haloalkanes. Third one, haloalkynes. And fourth is the haloaryls. This is the four types, and this classification it is based on the hydrocarbon skeleton. It is based on the hydrocarbon skeleton. Hydrocarbon skeleton of organic compound to which halogen atom is attached. ज्या ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंडला हॅलोजन ॲटम अटॅच असलेल्या त्या कंपाऊंडचं जे स्केलेटन आहे त्या स्केलेटन वरून काय आहे क्लासिफिकेशन. हियर when halogen is attached to the alkane, that is a skeleton is a carbon-carbon saturated single bonds, that means the alkanes. Then these are the haloalkanes, that is in haloalkane one hydrogen atom from alkane is replaced by halogen atom. That is X any halogen atom. And this is a saturated. Skeleton is a saturated all carbon single bond, and it is the aromatic. Then haloalkane. Here hydrogen atom from alkane is replaced by halogen. हॅलोअल्केन मध्ये काय हायड्रोजन ॲटम हा अल्केन मधला हायड्रोजन ॲटम हॅलोजन ॲटमने काय केलेला आहे रिप्लेस केलेला आहे. सिमिलरली हॅलोअल्काइन we know in alkyne there is a carbon triple bond, and from such a triple bonded compound that is from alkyne, when one or more hydrogen they are replaced by corresponding number of halogen atoms, then we get the haloalkynes. That is generally it is shown as HC triple bond CX. This is the haloalkyne. Hydrogen from alkyne is replaced by the halogen atom. Then haloarenes. Here hydrogen atom from aromatic ring like benzene, it is replaced by halogen atom. Then we get the haloarenes. One hydrogen from aromatic ring like benzene here replaced by the halogen, is known as a haloarenes. This is a classification based on the hydrocarbon skeleton. The hydrocarbon skeleton म्हणून काय classification. It is based on the hydrocarbon skeleton to which the halogen is attached. The second way they are classified on the basis of a number of halogen atoms. The halogen atom चा number वरून पुन्हा classification. त्या हायड्रोकार्बनला हॅलोजन ॲटम अटॅच आहे, त्या हॅलोजन ॲटम अटॅच असलेल्या हॅलोजन ॲटमच्या नंबरवरून काय क्लासिफिकेशन. दे आर क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ए नंबर ऑफ ए हॅलोजन ॲटम्स attached to the hydrocarbon. Here they are classified according to this type into the four subtypes. These are the monohalogen compounds. Second one, dihalogen compounds, and third is the trihalogen compounds, and fourth, that is the polyhalogen compounds. Okay, in this here, from this name, you know mono, di, tri, and poly. Mono means one, di, two, tri, four, three, and poly, many. Then compound contain one halogen atom, then it is known as the monohalogen compound. Similarly, if it contain two halogen atom, it will be the dihalogen. Again, if it contains three halogen atom, it is the trihalogen, and if it contains more than three halogen atom, then it is the polyhalogen compounds. This classification is based on the number of halogen atoms. It is based on the number of halogen atoms. We can generally represent the monohalogen compound, that is CH3, CH2X. And this monohalogen compound CH3, CH2X, it is generally which type see the haloalkane. A type कशामधला आहे haloalkane, because it contain only one halogen atom. CH3, CH2X, monohalogen compound contain only one halogen. Then example of a dihalogen compound. But generally we can write the dihalogen compound. It contains the two halogen atoms. That is a CH3, CH, X, and X. That is a two halogen atom, which may be chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Any halogen we can take, CH3, CH, X, X. Two halogens are present, so it is a dihalogen compound. Similarly, in this way, trihalogen compound is a CH3, CX, X, X. 3X, that means the 3 halogen atoms. This compound contains 3 halogen atoms. It is a trihalogen compound. And again we know polyhalogen compound. In this way, if the compound contains more than 3 halogen atoms, then it is the polyhalogen compound. Okay? Is it clear the classification? Classification by two ways. First way, from hydrocarbon skeleton to which halogen is attached, and second way, number of halogen atoms present in that compound. They are classified in such ways. Then we will consider the classification of a monohalogen compound in a detail. मोनोहॅलोजन कंपाउंडचं क्लासिफिकेशन आपल्याला डिटेल मध्ये पाहायचं आहे. या ठिकाणी आता मोनोहॅलोजन कंपाउंड्स दे आर आल्सो नोन एज alkyl halides. See, they are the alkyl halides, and in these alkyl halides, you know, there is only one halogen atom and represented by the general formula Rx. You have seen it. Here R is the any alkyl group and X is the any halogen atom. Then further classification of this monohalogen derivatives. Monohalogen derivatives, they are again classified. Further, they are classified on the basis of a position of a halogen atom and type of hybridization of carbon to which halogen is attached. हे monohalogen derivatives पुढचं क्लासिफिकेशन हे कशावर डिपेंड आहे? हॅलोजनची पोझिशन आणि ज्या कार्बनला तो हॅलोजन अटॅच आहे त्या कार्बनचा हायब्रिडायझेशनचा टाइप यावरती फर्दर क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ए मोनोहॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह इज बेस्ड अँड ऑन दिस बेसिस इट इज क्लासिफाइड इनटू द 6 different classes. Monohalogen derivatives, they are classified on the basis of a 6 different classes. They are classified on the basis of on this basis the 6 different classes. First one is the alkyl halide. First is the alkyl halides. They are also known as haloalkanes. Second one is the allylic halides. Third is the benzylic halides. Benzylic halides. Then next one, phenylic halides. Phenylic halides. Then next is the haloalkynes. And last is the aryl halides or haloalines. Aryl halides or also known as the haloalines. Aryl halides or haloalines. This classification of monohalogen derivative into the 6 subclasses, which is based on कशावरती बेस्ड आहे? It is based on the position of a halogen and type of a hybridization of a carbon atom to which halogen is attached. Then we see the one by one these types. First is the alkyl halide. Alkyl halides. These alkyl halides are also known as haloalkanes. Alkyl halides are known as haloalkanes. They are also called as haloalkanes. In alkyl halide or haloalkane, the halogen atom it is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is a part of a saturated hydrocarbon. The alkyl halide मध्ये halogen atom त्याच्यात हा sp3 hybridized carbon atom ला बॉन्ड झालेला आहे. जो सॅच्युरेटेड हायड्रोकार्बनचा काय आहे? पार्ट. That means in alkyl halide halogen is bonded to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Then this alkyl halides, they may be the primary, secondary and tertiary. And this other types of alkyl halide, that is whether it is a primary, secondary or tertiary, it depends on the substitution state of the carbon to which halogen is attached. So the further classification of a alkyl halide, it is based on the substitution. It is based on the substitution state of a carbon to which the halogen is attached. And these alkyl halides, they may be the primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halides, primary alkyl halides, secondary alkyl halides, and tertiary alkyl halides. This classification into the three subclasses of alkyl halide, it is based on the substitution state of a carbon to which the halogen is attached. This primary alkyl halide is shown by 1 0, secondary it is indicated by 2 0, tertiary it is indicated by the 3 0. In primary alkyl halide, the halogen is attached to the primary carbon atom. It is seen in a 11th standard. We know these types of the alkyl halide, primary, secondary and tertiary. They are already studied in a 11th standard. When halogen is attached to the primary carbon atom, then it is the primary alkyl halide. Example: CH3, CH2, CH2X. This carbon atom is a primary, which is shown by this sign, asterisk sign. Halogen X it is attached to this primary carbon atom, therefore it is the primary alkyl halide. Instead of CH3, CH2, we can also write here alkyl RCH2X. In secondary alkyl halide, it is represented as RCRCHX. This is a secondary carbon atom. Why it is secondary, we know. In 11th standard we have studied this carbon atom is attached to two other carbon atom, therefore it is a secondary carbon atom. And halogen, when attached to such a secondary carbon atom, then it is the secondary alkyl halide. Similarly, when halogen is attached to tertiary carbon atom, then it is the tertiary alkyl halide. It will be the tertiary alkyl halide. This is the three types of the alkyl halides, which is based on the substitution state of a carbon to which the halogen is attached. Then we continue next.